Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable auto power saving on this TV. Go to settings, tap on all settings. Then tap on general and privacy. Select power and energy savings. Then here you can see the option auto power saving. Now this is disabled. If you enable this one, then it will when connected to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi signal and remote control usage determine the user's movement and turn off the screen if no movement is detected. Operation may vary depending on the Wi-Fi device you are using. Okay, so now this is disabled. To enable this one, first of all select the option auto power saving, then tap on OK button on your remote. Now this is enabled. To disable, again tap on OK button. Now this is disabled. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the auto power saving on this TV. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.